Everyone, it's Sussex External Cleaning, brand new business, brand new channel. I'm so excited about this. I've just received my pressure washer, which has been on order for literally 2 days from Rutland Pumps. I'm going to show you the unboxing of it now. I hope you're excited as I am. A like, a subscribe, a share will be amazing. I don't know where this is going to go, so I appreciate everyone's support. Thanks. Two lances. Got the quick release fittings there. It's a straight lance. The turbo nozzle. Couple of invoices. And a box of goodies. There's the nozzles for the lance. Looks like a couple of manuals for the Honda engine. And some oil. Yeah, really excited to check this thing out. So again, if you want to see any videos of any type, then put them in the comments below, and I'll try and get them. I've got to try everything out, so let me know what you think.